Hello, so we are back, and this time we have a nice laptop to repair. It is Acer, a nice laptop. i7 Iris graphics, Swift free. Here is the fingerprint, yeah. Can be a nice laptop. Pressing the power button, nothing happened. Dead. Now this job is coming from a computer business, and all what we know, not powering on, that's all. Yeah, they sent me another Huawei, but probably is the charging port, so we are looking at the Acer one. I will say let's plug a charger and let's see what it's doing. So we need like 19 volts on the power supply. We need a connector. Probably is this one. No, this one is too big. Smaller one. Yeah, this one. So plug in the power. And it's taking like 20 milliamps. Pressing the power button, 200 milliamps. Check there. Wait, my power supply is clicking. Why my power supply is clicking? Because I have only 1.2 amps. Okay. 4.3 amps. Plug in the charger back. Pressing the power button. It's taking like for a fraction of a second, 1.2 amps, then it's going to 0. You seen that? So 200 milliamps, 1.3, and goes to 0. And this 200 milliamps, I believe, is taken by the battery. Probably is the pre-charge current. Because otherwise I cannot explain why it's taking 200 milliamps only. Now it's taking 2.6 amps. Yeah, probably this is the charging current, 2.7 amps, 2.8. And we have the charging light here. So 2.8 amps, pressing the power button. And it's taking 3.1, and it's working. Huh? They said it's no power. That's what they said. And yeah, the battery it is charging fine. So probably they have a charger issue, right? Yeah, always check with a different charger, not only with the customer one. So it's nothing what we can do with this one. This one it is working. So sometimes I'm getting good laptops for repair. Huh? That's why it's important to check with a different charger. But if we start the video, let's have a look on their other laptop, Honor i5. Let's plug a USB-C. So plug in the charger, and it's not working. This is a classic Huawei fault, where actually the charging port is the issue. Yeah. Let me open the laptop quickly. And the laptop is open. Yeah, and we have a classic Huawei motherboard. Yeah, it kind of sucks because we have to take the board out. Just give me like a few minutes. And the motherboard is nearly out. Let's have a look at the charging port. I was asking myself, where is the plastic? But check here. Here is the plastic, which was there. So the charging port issue, every pin is broken. Every track is broken. Not sure if you can see it. So check here. You can see every track is broken. The port is good. There's nothing wrong with the port. I'm gonna bend the metal thingies. Yeah, now it is solid. I mean, still has the metal here, here, and here on the middle. So the port is fine. So what we have to do now is to put together everything. Wait a second. Yeah. Looks like it's a hard job, but it's not that hard. Here we have 3 pins together. Here we have 3 pins together. Here we have 2 pins together. Then yeah, let me clean the paint from the board. Here is fine. Here is fine. Then we have this one, and this one is fine. And this one is fine. And this one. This one. And this one. Then one more here. One more here. Yeah, definitely this one. Then we have the plus. Perfect. And we have the ground. Let me clean it. So how is it looking to you? Like brand new, right? Yeah, I know. So now it's not looking that bad. I'm gonna use some transparent flux. Because I want to see what is happening there, I'm gonna try only to solder the port. And I'm gonna use wire only when it's needed. So here we have 3 pins together. Then here we have 2 pins together. Perfect. We have a bridge with the ground. No, not anymore. Yeah, now it's fine. Then everywhere, let's apply solder. Lot of bridges, but that's okay, that's fine. And we have ground here. 3 pins to ground. Perfect. Plus is good. Yeah, a few bridges here. Flux. I'm using the Wharton flux. I'm using when I really need to see what's going on there. Yeah. Good. Yeah, let me take out that bridge. I still have my coax here because I can't find the weak wire. So coax cable is good. You can save some money actually. Perfect, check that. So we have this pin. And it is nearly soldered. Is fine now? Yeah, perfect. We have this one. Good. Perfect. Then we have this one. And you have to admit it, it is perfect. This one it is solder, right? Yeah. This one is solder, and this one is not solder. Tiny wire here. Perfect. So what do you think? It is perfect or not? Your opinion. I'm not happy with one pin. Not sure if you can see it. I'm not happy with this one, but we can fix that. Perfect. And yeah, this one it is sold. And this one, perfect. It is fine now. Let's do a test. Quickly, let's plug the charger. Plug in the charger and the meter is coming on. 19 volts. Moving the port up and down, fine. From the other side, plug in the charger and the meter it is coming on. And yeah, we have 19, moving the port up and down, working fine. I think it's a solid repair. What do you think? Well, let me clean it quickly because we need to make it solid, yeah? So in this particular case, I think I will apply some hot glue. Yeah. Why hot glue? Because I want to also the body, the plastic body, I want to be kept there. You remember how this started? Actually, the plastic was moving. Let's grab the laptop. Let's make some space. I'm gonna plug this cable first. So the cable is plugged. And now we can come with some hot glue. Hot glue. Hot glue here. Perfect. Let's put the board quickly back. And the board is back in place. Let's put the screws quickly. This screw and this one. And now I know everything is solid there. Yeah. Now we can focus on the other stuff. Just give me like few minutes to put all back together. Perfect. So all screws are in place. Plug in the battery. Let's plug the charger. So plug in the charger. And the meter is coming on. 19 volts and it's not charging. And you'll get scared because you see no current. That means it's not charging. But the battery probably is very low. Let me unplug the charger from the Acer. Yeah, it's still charging with 3 amps. So the solution is the battery 7.6. Okay, let me lower the voltage. Good. Let me lower the current. And we have to help the battery. So pay attention on the current there. The battery is taking 1.9 amps. And check that, check it. 300 milliamps, right? It's charging with 400 milliamps, which I'm not happy. It's taking 2.3 amps from the power supply. We are pushing more current into the battery with the power supply. We are pushing 2.3 amps. And the USB-C is pushing 400 milliamps. Okay, let's push more. And we are pushing 3 amps. And now the laptop start pushing more current. Check here. And it's down to 400 milliamps. Okay. Usually it will get fooled. 800, 1 amp, 1.3, 1.5. And yeah, now it's going. Yeah. Now it will hold. Check here. 3 amps. It will hold the charging current. 3.1 amps. That's how you help the battery. So now the laptop is charging with 3.1 amps. Pressing the power button and the laptop it is coming on. You can see the backlight on the keyboard. We have picture and it's loading the windows. Yeah. Doing updates. That can explain why the charging port died. So the laptop was doing updates, or probably you have like a black screen and the customer try with the charging cable to moving to wiggle around. Yeah. That can explain. And it's up and running. We have the charging sign there. Let me shut down the laptop. Okay, it's doing updates. Yeah, that it will take a while. But anyway, the limit is 60 watts. And you can see here it's taking 3.1 amps, even if the laptop is on or off. Of course, the battery is charging faster if the laptop is off. Anyway, I'm gonna stop here. I will say thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye. Hey, if you find my content being helpful, don't forget you can support this channel by pressing the join button, and you can get instantly access to our members-only cool collection and Discord private channels for support with your repairs. Also, you can have a look on our United Kingdom eBay, where you can find some cool and unique products, United States eBay store, or our Patreon page. Thank you.